Programming, one of the most sought-after skills in the digital age. From building the next big app to automating everyday tasks, the potential of programming is limitless. Yet, despite its growing popularity, many aspiring coders hit a wall. They start with enthusiasm but often end up abandoning their journey. But why does this happen? Why do most people fail to master programming? Here are the key reasons, especially numbers 7 and 8, which are often the silent killers of many programming dreams. So, if you're struggling or just starting out, stick around because this might just change your approach. First on our list is unrealistic expectations. Many beginners enter the world of programming with the idea that they'll master it in just a few weeks or months. This notion is often fueled by marketing for boot camps and quick-fix courses. While it's true that you can learn the basics quickly, programming is a vast field. Mastery takes time, practice, and patience. The key here is to set realistic goals and be prepared for a long-term commitment. Next up is a lack of consistent practice. Programming is like learning a new language. You wouldn't expect to become fluent in Spanish or Mandarin by studying for just an hour a week, right? The same goes for coding. Many people fail because they don't code regularly. It's easy to get frustrated when concepts don't stick, but consistent practice is crucial. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to write code, experiment, and build projects. Another major hurdle is the fear of failure. Coding can be intimidating, especially when you hit errors and bugs, something every programmer encounters. However, many beginners see these failures as signs that they're not cut out for programming. But here's the thing, failure is part of the learning process. The most successful programmers are those who embrace their mistakes, learn from them, and keep pushing forward. And don't miss the next point. It's one that most beginners overlook but can make all the difference. Programming isn't just about writing code, it's about solving problems. Many people struggle because they focus too much on the syntax and not enough on the underlying logic. To be a good programmer, you need to break down problems, think critically, and find solutions. If you're stuck, try to understand the problem first before diving into the code. Improve your problem-solving skills through puzzles, logic games, or even by studying algorithms. This point is crucial. Don't skip over it if you want to truly excel. With so many resources available online, tutorials, courses, forums, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Many beginners jump from one tutorial to another without fully grasping the concepts. This leads to information overload, where you know a little about a lot but can't apply what you've learned. To avoid this, focus on one resource at a time, take notes, and most importantly, practice what you learn. Learning to code without building projects is like learning to swim without ever getting in the water. Watching tutorials and reading books is great, but to truly master programming, you need to build real-world projects. Projects not only reinforce what you've learned, but also help you discover areas where you need improvement. Start small and gradually take on more complex challenges. Programming can be a lonely journey if you try to go it alone. Many people give up because they don't have a support system. Joining a community, whether online or offline, can make a huge difference. You can ask questions, get feedback, and learn from others' experiences. Communities also provide motivation and accountability, which are crucial when you hit those inevitable roadblocks. And don't miss the last point, it's often the silent killer of many programming dreams. Lastly, poor time management is a common reason people fail to master programming. Life gets busy and it's easy to let coding fall by the wayside. However, those who succeed are the ones who prioritize their learning. Create a study schedule that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Even if it's just 30 minutes a day, consistency is key. So there you have it. 8 common reasons why most people fail to master programming. But remember, failing doesn't mean you're not capable. It's just part of the learning process. By setting realistic expectations, practicing regularly, embracing failure, improving problem-solving skills, avoiding information overload, building projects, seeking community support, and managing your time well, you can overcome these challenges and become a successful programmer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on mastering your coding journey. And as always, happy coding.